tare amp, 26 100 watt Q-Mon amp.
Okay.
Man, I seen your videos, dude.
Oh yeah, you watch my videos?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Glad you like it. You want to give me a big rundown of everything in here for the video?
My brother-in-law, he can help you.
Do you know anything?
Like the speakers, they run like 250 RMA with a 3K tare amp, 26 100 watt Q-Mon amp.
Okay. Have you metered it?
Oh yeah.
What'd you meter?
139.5.
139.5. Okay, almost a 140.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right. Heck yeah. Did you build the box or who built it?
We found it on the side.
You did? Oh, just made it work?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. What vehicle is this?
2000 GMC Sierra 1500.
Okay. All right. And what about your electrical? Do you know your alternator or your battery?
I run 2 batteries back here and one under the hood.
Okay. Is it stock alternator?
Yes, sir.
All right. Got one down there. All right. Stock alternator on. Awesome. Well, it was nice to meet you, man. Thanks for the demo.
Oh yeah, it's good to meet you, Jay.
Yes, sir. Thanks for watching my videos. thanks for the demo, man.
Oh, yeah.
What was your name?
Chris?
Chris, Jacob. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.